is a day of independence for all the Munchkins and their descendants, if any. Yes, let the joyous news be spread. The wicked old witch at last is dead.
And you know we have internet, right?
The rubric says that we have to have at least 3 physical sources from the library. Why? Oh, I don't know. But that's what it says, so that's what we have to do.
I've already given up. All I need to do to pass the course is a D.
A D? I need a B to keep my scholarship.
And I need sleep.
That's a Mary concern, not a Liam concern. All I mean is the D. I mean, AD.
If you do badly, it reflects poorly on all of us. And if I fail, I'm gonna take your AD and I'm gonna find you. And you're gonna pay the $3,000.
Lecturing me? Are you serious? You were just looking at TikTok videos a second ago. You want to act all high and mighty. You just made fun of M for sitting with, baloney gates.
Baloney Gates.
Yeah.
Are you stupid? Like, were you actually dropped on your
head as a baby? Are you stupid? Is it dropped on a baby when you were a kid? No, absolutely not. Were you? Shut up.
Hey folks, could you all do me a favor and be quiet? You're disturbing everyone around you who came to the library to study.
We're sorry, sir.
I'm gonna need your phones.
Excuse me?
Just to avoid any further distractions, I'm gonna take them up from you right now. Thank you. You wouldn't want to be removed, would you?
We can just pick them up after we get the journals.
Right, and
No, wait. Did you guys hear that bullshit about being removed? Like, come on. Like, not only that condescending tone, like he said, but like, really, we pay to be here. We can talk however much we want in here. Shh.
Even if he's bluffing, we should still try to be as quiet as possible.
You know, seeing the librarian remind me, I've got to take a wicked piss.
You can't go to the bathroom. Just be quiet.
Ah, yes, I will be entirely silent while going to the bathroom. Because I talk while I piss.
Please leave.
Perhaps I do. Perhaps I talk to the voices in my head. Perhaps I sing a little song while I piss.
he's so weird.
I'm still within earshot, you know? It's these days.
I can't seem to face the fact I'm tense and nervous and I can't relax.
Well, man, cool Halloween costume. Is it Halloween? Well, whatever. No. Come on, man. Come on. Selfie. Let's do selfie. All right. That's good. That's what? 10% is not 0%. Oh. Wait, hey.
Okay, where's Derek?
Last time I checked, taking a piss doesn't take that long.
He was lying. Do you really think he gave up his phone?
Should we check up on him? Maybe he got removed.
Please. If he was kicked out, he would have walked right past us, right? We would have seen him for sure.
I'm scared.
Of what, dude? Seriously?
Yes, seriously. I don't know. I'm getting the vibe.
You should be scared about the project, Mr. I Need the D.
Fine. I'll go check up on him. But if I get removed, you're not invited to my funeral. Yo, you shitting in here? Because if so, you got like the most non-smelling poodles of all time. Derek? Derek! Yo, he's dead. No talking in the library.
Are you mad at me?
Sorry?
Are you mad at me for, not helping with everything?
No.
It's just, I really need to do well on this project. And it just gets hard when we're all goofing around. And I know I sound like the biggest hypocrite in the world, but I just really need to do well. And I just get distracted because, group projects.
I need biographical information on Leni Riefenstahl.
Got it. I won't let you down.
Mary? 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 Are Are you dead? Holy shit, you are dead.
Shit! I mean, like, you can't make noise. Like, the stairway. I mean, you know, like, a stairway's like a pretty noisy place as it is, so, like, you know, it wouldn't really count that much, you know?
Liam!
What?
Oh shit!
My degree is in research. No PE credits.
Why would you do this? They were just kids goofing off.
You kids, your kind, come into my library. You're talking to each other, texting on your phones, scrolling through your little TikToks and your little bitty hands. All the noise you make. Shut up! You were different. You cared about the sanctity of my library. You were looking through my catalogs. I spent hours creating, sorting, organizing. You were looking for peer-reviewed journals using the internet, the database that I provided for you using our very limited budget. It's sad, so sad that you let out that little scream.
I screamed because you killed my friends!